Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most futuristic and eye-catching vehicles imagined for 2026. What you see in front of you looks less like a traditional car and more like a rolling luxury mansion from the future. This concept completely redefines how we think about mobility, design, comfort, and performance, and in this detailed review, we will talk about its exterior, interior, performance expectations, and estimated pricing in full detail. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. This vehicle looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The body is massive, tall, and extremely bold, with sharp geometric lines and a layered structure that gives it a double-deck appearance. The front end is dominated by a huge panoramic glass windshield that wraps around smoothly, offering a clean and seamless look. Instead of traditional headlights, we see slim, futuristic LED light strips that blend into the body, giving it a high-tech and premium feel. The paint finish looks glossy and elegant, reflecting light beautifully and making the vehicle stand out in any environment. From the side profile, the design becomes even more impressive. Large alloy wheels with an aerodynamic pattern add to its futuristic character, while the low-profile tires suggest stability despite the vehicle's tall structure. The door design appears unique, possibly sliding or automated, making entry and exit feel like boarding a private jet. Sharp angles, sculpted panels, and integrated steps hint that this vehicle is designed not just for looks but also for practicality. At the rear, the design continues with sleek lines and a wide stance, giving it a powerful road presence. Overall, the exterior is not just about luxury, it is about making a statement wherever it goes. Now let's step inside and talk about the interior, which is where this vehicle truly feels like a luxury home on wheels. The cabin appears to be multi-level, offering an experience similar to a high-end motorhome but with a modern, futuristic twist. The use of premium materials such as leather, soft touch surfaces, glass, and ambient lighting creates a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior, making it feel open and spacious rather than enclosed. The seating layout looks designed for comfort above all else. Expect wide, plush seats with full electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The upper section could serve as a lounge or sleeping area, while the lower section may include a stylish living space, entertainment zone, or even a small kitchen setup. Digital screens are likely everywhere, from the driver's display to passenger entertainment systems, all controlled through touch or voice commands. Advanced ambient lighting adds to the premium experience, allowing passengers to customize the mood according to their preference. The driver's area is expected to be equally impressive. Instead of a traditional dashboard, this vehicle likely features a fully digital cockpit with a large curved display, augmented reality navigation, and advanced driver assistance visuals. The steering wheel may be futuristic in design, possibly inspired by aircraft controls, emphasizing that this vehicle is not just about driving but about an experience. Storage spaces are cleverly integrated, ensuring functionality without compromising style. When it comes to performance, a vehicle of this size and luxury would most likely rely on advanced hybrid or fully electric powertrain technology. For a 2026 model, an all-electric setup with multiple motors seems very realistic. This would allow smooth and silent acceleration despite its large size. Expect instant torque, making it surprisingly quick off the line for such a massive vehicle. All-wheel drive would likely be standard, ensuring stability, grip, and confidence on highways as well as long-distance journeys. Suspension technology would play a key role here. Adaptive air suspension is expected, allowing the vehicle to adjust its height depending on driving conditions. This would ensure a smooth ride on highways while also providing ease of access when parked. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous parking, and possibly semi-autonomous driving modes would make long journeys effortless and safe. Braking performance would also be top tier, with regenerative braking helping improve efficiency and extend driving range. Speaking of range, if electric, we could expect a battery capacity large enough to offer approximately 400 to 500 kilometers on a single charge, depending on usage and load. Fast charging capability would be essential, allowing quick top-ups during travel. Now let's talk about pricing. A vehicle like this is clearly not aimed at the average buyer. With its extreme design, luxury-focused interior, and advanced technology, this would sit firmly in the ultra-premium category. For a 2026 model, the estimated price could easily start around $250,000 and go well beyond $400,000 depending on customization, technology packages, and interior configurations. This makes it more of a luxury lifestyle vehicle rather than just a means of transport. In conclusion, this 2026 futuristic luxury vehicle is not just a car, it is a vision of how future mobility might look. From its bold and aggressive exterior to its lavish, home-like interior, from its expected high-tech performance to its premium price tag, everything about this vehicle screams innovation and exclusivity. It is designed for those who want comfort, technology, and attention all in one package. If vehicles like this become mainstream in the future, the way we travel will never be the same. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more futuristic and luxury car content coming your way.